At first, I want to say congratulations. Congratulations for considering this course. If you want to build up your successful t-shirt business online, then yes, you are in the right place. Welcome to the March by Amazon Design and Start Selling Your T-shirts online course. I am Mashusaga Wadista. I am a bestseller t-shirt designer on Amazon and Teespring. I am working in this March by Amazon platform for last 5 years and still now. Even in the last 7 days, I have earned around $800 from Amazon, completely passively. And I teach you everything that you need to know to achieve success in this Amazon March on Demand platform.
We all know t-shirt industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and in online it is the most fastest growing part of this industry. There are lots of print-on-demand platforms are available in online, and March by Amazon is the best leading platform. The best part of this platform is you can easily sell your design t-shirt in Amazon, and you don't have to invest any time and money for your t-shirt marketing, because Amazon is the #1 e-commerce store in the world and it has huge organic traffic. However, there are plenty of mistakes you can make, so it is best to find out more about the print-on-demand industry before you start the journey. Few months ago, I published 2 different t-shirt design courses with the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and these 2 courses are now the best-selling courses in the Udemy platform. In this March by Amazon t-shirt business course, I will teach you the every step of the March by Amazon. I am gonna talk about what the March by Amazon is, how to sign up for an account. Also, we learn the best practices and resources of March, how to find profitable make money niche with online free tools. We also design t-shirt with Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Also, we learn how to find designer if you are not a designer. And then we upload our very first t-shirt in Amazon, and I will give the in details walkthrough of that. Amazon takes trademark issue very seriously. That's why I guide you how to research and clear any potential trademark issues before uploading design to the platform. If you follow my steps, then hopefully you will able to earn good amount of money every month. Also, I teach you how to create amazing video mockup with no previous experience, and how to promote your t-shirt to the targeted audience through Facebook ads to generate even more sales in a very short time. Finally, I will share few tips and tricks from my own experience, and also share lots of valuable resources to take your March by Amazon t-shirt business into the next level. Also, there is a 30 days money back guarantee with this course, so there is no risk to enroll this course right now.
I hope you are excited to take this opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait for another day. Join right now, and I will catch you guys inside. Best of luck.